what's going on, Tsai here. So in this video, I want to show you what's inside your Activecampaign account and what you can do inside your Activecampaign. The first one is context. So you can go here to see all your subscribers, right? So you can easily go to each of them to see who they are, what email list they subscribe to, and what's their recent activities. And you can also choose to delete them from your list. Another one is your campaign. So this one is where you send out a broadcast message to your subscriber. So maybe you want to do an announcement today. You just create the broadcast here, and you can choose which list you want to broadcast to. Then after everything is done, you just send your message. Another one is your automation. So the automation is where you set up your automatic message. So maybe when someone buys something from you, you can set an automation for that. Or if someone signs up to your email list, you can create an automation for that. So this is an easy example of the automation. So it will say, okay, I'll send an email about what, then wait for 1 day, then send another one and wait for 1 day. Also, you can add some logic inside your automation, so it doesn't have to be linear like this. Another one is your list, right? So you can manage your subscriber here. So for each of your lead magnet, you need to create a list. So you can easily segment them and you know who they are, right? Then another thing is the report. So you can see what's the open rate and what are the CTR, what the click-through rate. So you can optimize your campaign based on those data. And also on the home page, you can easily see all the state of your recent campaign or your current content number. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next one.